Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here. If you've watched my channel before, you know, or if you saw my tours, you know that when I did my potatoes, I started a lot, like 9 buckets of them with just potato chit skins or skins that had little chits on them. Then I also had half potatoes, whole potatoes, and I also had 4 little potatoes in some buckets that didn't even catch on for the longest period of time. Well, we've been having torrential rains here for the last 4 days. Everything is drenched to the bone and soaked, and these 4 little buckets need to come out. I don't know if there's going to be anything in them or not. So what is supposed to be a 4-gallon bucket here of dirt, there was only 2. I gave up after they weren't growing, so I just said the heck with it. So we're just going to take a look and see what's in it, if anything, and I'm going to do the same thing with 3 others. And you can see it's pure mud in the bottom. And I think had I left it in, yeah, see, here's the potato. That's the one potato that was in there that didn't do anything. And it didn't do anything in here either. So, no reason to even think about weighing this, and it's soaking wet. But it gives you a good idea of your failures as well as the things that do go right. So 1 down, nothing. Zip, 0, nada. Okay, second one. This also is a 3.5-gallon bucket, but it only has about 2 gallons in here. I'll show you once I cut this back. I was up late last night. One of our pugs is sick with pancreatitis, so I'm kind of just doing something here to take my mind off of everything. And this one also. See, I had a feeling this was going to happen. They took so long in order to grow that there's nothing here, basically. We have a few potatoes to make some mashed potatoes or something. Please forgive the noise in the background. We have some neighbors that don't have a clue about shutting off their horns and whatnot. I don't know what their problem is. And it makes the dogs bark on top of it. Okay, so 2 down, nothing. Now we'll go to the second one, third one. Okay guys, I'm back again. I'm gonna put up the 3rd pot. Now these may have something in them, they may not, I don't know. They're heavy, full of water, obviously. I'm gonna cut off the greenery here. And this one, let's see, one of these, yeah, this one has white flowers, and I don't know why, because they're all Alaskan reds. So we'll see what's in here. I really don't know if there's anything, and this was a 4-gallon bucket also. Pretty much, probably about 3 gallons of very, you can see, watch, look at this. Water just pouring out. Okay, we got one nice little potato. And this was from a single potato, and here's the potato mush, because that's all I put in these was. Ooh, wow, that's a nice one. We may not get many, but at least we got a couple of nice ones right there. Dave's coming to take a look. Well, considering they were late starters, we did get 3 very nice sized potatoes out of them. These 3 are probably close to a pound right there, so I won't complain about that. And it doesn't look like if I would have left it in, anything would have happened because there's no other small runners or anything on it. So, okay. I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. Here's one more little one. So we actually got three potatoes, three big, two little. Now, this one is full of foliage. Oh goodness, too heavy for my back. But I don't know what's going to be in here. I did see something pushing on the side, so we'll see if there's anything in this one. As I said, these were all four were late starters. Took them a month or more, well past the other ones, to even get some green on them or some foliage. So I really never expected too much. I'm surprised this one is drier, but there are some potatoes in this one. Ooh, not bad. Let's separate these out because these three went to the one, and we'll see how much those weigh. These we're not going to even think about because they're just little tiny itty bitty babies that we can just throw in a pot and eat them.
Buttered potatoes.
Yeah, boiling buttered potatoes, but these are not big, but they're nice looking potatoes. Very nice. I knew I could feel some on the side. So we will. And this is from a single potato. It was just some extra little ones I had laying around. I just happened to throw them into a pot. Oh, dirt all over me. Taking a bath in my dirt, or in my soil, or whatever you want to call it. Lots of little tiny ones here we don't need. I'm just going to toss those aside. It amazes me how most of them like to grow right up at the top where the roots are. These are small. I'm just going to push these aside with the other ones. And these here, the ones from that one bucket, happen to be my favorite ones. It's too bad that they didn't do anything. This one has quite a few. I'm really surprised. Little, but quite a few. And that's, I think, because it got a chance to grow. It grew faster than the other ones. That's why the other ones didn't even have much soil. And this one's not wet either. I don't know how it missed the water. Everything else got drenched. Okay, nothing left on there. Yeah, it's little. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to throw this away, and I will weigh this one. See how much we got from that one potato. Trying not to get too much dirt in there. These little tiny things I'm just going to push over here. Okay, so for one potato, I got 2 1.25 pounds. So that's not bad. I'm not complaining. 2 1/4, and let's see what these 4 little potatoes from that first one was. I actually got 1 pound and 2/8 out of it. So a pound of potato for what, a little tiny potato, that's not too bad. I know this is a lot of potato reveals. I'm trying to put some other things up, but you know, sometimes life gets ahead of us and there just isn't enough time in a day to do everything, especially with my dog being ill and he's going to need a hip replacement. So I hope you'll enjoy this. You can see that not everything is good. Sometimes we have failures, and I hope you'll give me a comment, a like, a subscription, a check, or whatever you feel like doing. I love you all. Bye-bye now.